Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now we're behind our 2021 Jeep Gladiator. We've got a brand new set of red LED taillights that we're going to be installing onto our Jeep. Now these red LED taillights feature a durable black housing as well as a sequential turn signal and brake light and an LED glow bar around the entire perimeter. It also features a bright LED reverse light and a complete plug and play installation that even allows you to utilize your factory blind spot monitoring if it's equipped on your vehicle. This is going to be a direct replacement for all 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiators, regardless of the style of taillight you have. So if you have an LED and you're looking to upgrade to a different design, these will fit perfectly. Even if you have the blind spot management, these will simply plug and play by adding those on right to the side here. Now with that being said, these are available in red as well as clear and even a smoked finish to perfectly match your Jeep. So I'm now going to show you how to remove your factory taillights, get these installed, and show you how they look. So if you've got the halogen taillights like we do on the back of this Gladiator, the only tool you're going to need is an 8mm socket, and that's to remove these two screws on the inside of your bed. Now you just drop the tailgate, simply use an 8mm and get on there, and remove these two first. Get the one pulled out, and then this one is just about under your strap here. I like to hold on to the taillight even though it does go into some pins. Still don't want it to fall on you. Get the second one pulled out, and then just simply pull this towards you a little bit firmly. Would honestly feel a little bit sketchy when you first do it, but trust me, it will pull right out. And then the only thing you need to do to remove the harness is simply push down on this red clip, just like that. Make sure they push together good. Push down on there and simply separate it, and that's how you remove the factory halogen taillight. Go ahead and grab your brand new taillight housing and then turn it around. The only plug you need to plug in if you do have a halogen edition is just the larger block plug. That'll simply go right into here and you'll hear a small click. Make sure they're secure. This one will only be connected if you have a blind spot management. So then we can simply tuck the wires right behind there. The only thing that needs to go in, there's two little push pins, and then the last thing we'll have to do is just attach those two screws, and that's how easy this install is. You can do both sides in honestly about 20 seconds each, and you'll have a brand new look on the back end. And then we'll show you guys what this looks like in comparison to the factory taillight, and then put both of them in and give you the complete look. All right, so running lights, brake lights, turn signal for the factory, turn signal for the aftermarket. Here's four ways. Put it in reverse. Well guys, that wraps up the installation of these LED red taillights fitting your 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator. As you can see, with them both installed, they work perfectly on this halogen model Gladiator without having to reflash the computer or make it work. Everything is built right into these. I think they look absolutely killer on the back end of this Jeep, and they really modernize it compared to those factory halogens. They'd also be a great touch if you do have the LEDs but want it a little bit more trick on the back and a little bit more custom for you. Now coming in at under $300 and a complete plug and play installation, I think these are a great buy for your Gladiator to really upgrade the rear end of it and make it look, dare I say, more modern for a 2021 model year. Now if you want to check these out as well as the clear and the smoke lenses, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com where you can place an order for your Gladiator today.